In a bustling metropolis, where the city's relentless rhythm never seemed to pause, there lived a woman named Mia. Mia was renowned for her extraordinary ability to find inner peace and clarity amidst the chaos of urban life, and her mantra was simple: empty your mind. From a young age, Mia had been intrigued by the idea of mental clarity. She noticed that the constant buzz of the city, the never-ending demands of work, and the myriad distractions of modern life could clutter one's mind, making it challenging to find focus and tranquility. Mia made it her mission to master the art of emptying the mind. As she matured, Mia's understanding of the power of a clear mind deepened. She realized that the key to inner peace lay in decluttering her thoughts and being fully present in each moment. Mia didn't just practice mindfulness, she embodied it. One day, a close friend of Mia's was facing a particularly trying time in her life. She was overwhelmed by the demands of her career, personal responsibilities, and the stresses of city living. Her friend's mind was a whirlwind of worries and anxieties. Mia, with her profound understanding of emptying the mind, decided to help. She invited her friend to a quiet park in the heart of the city. There, under the shade of a massive oak tree, Mia encouraged her friend to sit and simply be present in the moment. She spoke softly: close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine your mind as a clear, blue sky. Let go of the clouds of worry and stress that obscure your thoughts. As her friend followed Mia's guidance, she began to feel a sense of calm and clarity wash over her. The burdens of her mind lightened, and she realized the beauty of the present moment. In the days that followed, Mia continued to support her friend, teaching her techniques for emptying the mind and finding solace amid life's chaos. Slowly but surely, her friend's perspective transformed, and she learned to face life's challenges with a clear and focused mind. Mia's wisdom and her ability to help others find tranquility in the busiest of environments became widely known. She started holding meditation sessions in the park, helping countless people reconnect with their inner peace. Over time, Mia's message of "empty your mind" spread throughout the city, encouraging people to embrace mindfulness and clarity in their daily lives. The bustling metropolis began to appreciate the value of serenity amid chaos, and Mia's name became synonymous with the art of finding inner peace in the modern world. Her legacy serves as a reminder that, even in the busiest of lives, the power of emptying the mind can lead to a profound sense of well-being and contentment. Mia's story continues to inspire people to this day, offering a path to balance and tranquility in an otherwise hectic world. Mia's influence didn't stop at her city. Her message of mindfulness and the power of emptying the mind reached far and wide through social media, books, and workshops. She became a sought-after speaker, traveling to various cities to share her wisdom with diverse audiences. Her talks resonated with people from all walks of life, from high-powered executives seeking respite from the demands of their careers to students grappling with the pressures of academic life. In the age of technology and constant connectivity, Mia's teachings found a place in the hearts of many who yearned for moments of quiet reflection. The concept of emptying the mind became a global movement, inspiring people to embrace mindfulness and find balance in their lives. Mia continued to lead by example, dedicating her time to environmental and humanitarian causes. She believed that a clear mind not only benefited individuals but also encouraged compassionate and thoughtful action in the world. She organized mindfulness retreats in natural settings, inviting participants to connect with the tranquility of the natural world and cultivate their inner peace. The park where Mia had first shared her wisdom with her friend became a symbol of serenity in the city. It was lovingly referred to as Mia's Park, a sanctuary where people could go to empty their minds and recharge their spirits. Mia's story is a testament to the enduring power of finding clarity and peace amidst the chaos of the modern world. Her legacy continues to inspire people to embrace mindfulness, to empty their minds, and to experience the profound benefits of inner peace in their daily lives. Her message transcends borders and cultures, offering a timeless reminder that the path to serenity can be found by simply being present in each moment. Mia's journey and her enduring impact stand as a beacon of hope in a fast-paced world, encouraging us all to pause, breathe, and empty our minds to discover the beauty of the present. Mia's impact extended to the next generation as well. She started teaching mindfulness and the art of emptying the mind to children and adolescents, instilling in them the value of mental clarity from a young age. Her efforts in the education sector led to the incorporation of mindfulness practices in schools and colleges, helping young minds cope with the stresses of academics and life. As Mia's reach continued to grow, she collaborated with like-minded individuals to create a foundation dedicated to promoting mindfulness and well-being in underserved communities. The foundation's programs introduced people in disadvantaged areas to the practice of emptying the mind, offering them a path to resilience and a greater sense of control over their lives. In the digital age, Mia's message found a significant online following, with people from around the world sharing their stories of how they had embraced the power of emptying the mind. Social media platforms and online communities provided a space for people to support one another in their mindfulness journeys. Mia herself embraced technology as a means to spread her message. She launched a website and YouTube channel, where she shared guided meditations, mindfulness exercises, and practical tips for emptying the mind. Her soothing voice and compassionate presence resonated with viewers, helping them find moments of tranquility in their daily lives. Mia's story became a symbol of hope and resilience in a world that often felt overwhelming. Her legacy transcended borders and cultures, reminding people that the practice of emptying the mind could be a universal path to finding serenity and balance in the midst of life's challenges. In her later years, Mia continued to live a life of purpose, sharing her wisdom and insights with all who sought her guidance. Her name and her message became synonymous with the art of embracing the present moment, and she remained a source of inspiration for generations to come. Mia's journey is a testament to the enduring power of mindfulness and the ability to empty the mind, offering a timeless lesson in finding peace and clarity in the fast-paced, interconnected world of today.